Today, we're walking through the vibrant streets of Osaka, one of Japan's most exciting food and entertainment cities. We're exploring shrines, famous street food, giant neon landmarks, and one of the craziest stores you'll find in Japan. Osaka during the day has a completely different vibe, and honestly, it's incredible. We are Harry and Charlene, full-time nomad travellers who sold everything we had to show you places and experiences to consider for your travel plans. Let's go!
Our first stop is the famous Namba Yasaka Shrine. The shrine is believed to bring good luck and success while protecting visitors from evil spirits. Even though Osaka is known for its busy streets and nightlife, places like this show a quieter side of the city. It's peaceful, traditional, and completely different from the energy waiting just a few blocks away.
And now we've reached Dotonbori, the heart of Osaka. The streets here are packed with restaurants, arcade, cafes, and local shops. One of the best parts about Osaka is that every street feels different. You'll get to appreciate how alive the city feels. The area is just packed with energy. And there's the world-famous Glico Running Man sign. This is probably Osaka's most iconic landmark. The sign has become one of Japan's most recognizable symbols and attracts visitors from around the world. The giant signs, river views, restaurants, and crowds make this area feel like non-stop entertainment. And right beside the canal is one of Japan's most famous stores, Don Quijote. Inside, you'll find Japanese snacks, anime merchandise, electronics, luggage, souvenirs, cosmetics, and pretty much anything else imaginable. Even if you're not shopping, it's worth walking through just for the experience.
One of the unique street foods that we had was the 10-yen cheese pull, and it was incredible.
He puts the cheese in the middle.
Osaka is one of those cities that instantly pulls you in. One moment you're exploring peaceful shrines, the next you're surrounded by giant signs, endless food, and packed streets. The city has so much energy and personality. Whether you come for the street food, shopping, culture, or atmosphere, Osaka is a city you'll never forget. If you enjoyed walking through Osaka with us today, make sure that you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more travel adventures. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time on our next adventure.